Assalamualaikum and greetings. So for our group, for assignment product tool design, we'll be doing regarding jigs and fixtures design. So what are jigs and fixtures? I'll give a brief introduction regarding jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are terms that refer to several types of devices that are used in industry to aid production work, particularly work that is engaged in machines. In order to ensure repeatability and interchangeability while manufacturing the identical items, the jigs and fixtures that are used need to be faultless. Jigs and fixtures are the most significant tools that may aid employees in the production process in the manufacturing business. These tools are also known as jigs. Jigs and fixings are essential instruments that are utilized in the manufacturing sector. The instrument that bears the primary stresses that will ultimately shape the workpiece in its completed form. The manner in which the tool is directed in relation to the workpiece is what separates a jig from a fixture, as the defining characteristic of each of these terms. They are vital components in production operations because they are always important in sectors such as automated manufacturing, inspection, and assembly operations. This makes them crucial components in production operations. This is an organization chart of our group consisting of 5 members, and our group leader is Muhammad Faris Irfan, while the group members consist of Muhammad Amzar, Muhammad HAFIZI, Noor Aisyah, and myself, LIYANA SYAHIRAH. So the next slide will talk about the justification of product, which will be presented by our next group member. Thank you.
For the product, we had chosen the L bar and the T bar shape as our main product for jigs and fixtures. Stainless steel T bars represent a broad product line of bar-shaped building elements with parallel internal surfaces. A T profile can be jointed, then it is welded or bottled, or one manufactured, then it is hot rolled or extruded. And lastly, stainless steel T-bars are used in commerce and industry, but also in machinery and equipment building. Next, for the equal angle bars represent a broad product line of bar-shaped buildings element, and generally angle bars in stainless steel are used in commerce and industry, but also in machinery and equipment building. Next, this is the selection of the L-bar steel sketching.
My name is Muhammad Hafizi, and now I will explain about the justification and of the jigs and fixture. To produce jig and fixture, there are three major factors that we have to take some serious. The first one is the tool should be designed for efficient operation and for easy manipulation by the operator. The second one is the tool should be designed so that it will be produced accurately workpiece on a repetitive basis. And the last one is the cost tool should usually be governed by the number of parts to be produced. So to produce this jigsaw feature will um, take some cost. The next one is this fixture. This is the fixture that we are going to fabricate, which is the fixture will be used to clamp the jigs because the position of the jigs can be adjusted due to drilling process, either horizontal or vertical. So you can see the explanation of the fixture, which is the fixture is a device that locate and hold the workpiece, and also the fixture is a device for holding a workpiece during the machining operation. And the last one is a fixture designed for machining operation, always clamped on to the machine. That is the explanation about the fixture. Now we are go to the jigs. These are the type of jig that we are going to fabricate. As you can see from the left picture, there's the original type of clamp that include in this jig, which is just a screw clamp, not a screw clamp, just a basic clamp. So for improvement is on the right picture, which is we are going to use a screw clamp type of clamp which is a mechanism to adjust its jaw. So the screw clamp is among the simple and the cheapest clamp in use today. So this is the type of jigs that we are going to use. And also this type of jig is similar to plate jigs. It's similar to template but will have built-in clamp to hold the work. So the last one is the final selection jigs and fixture. This is the final selection of our sketch. As you can see, these are the isometric view, which is a full assembly of our jigs and fixture, including a screw clamp, jigs, screw for the fixture.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amzar bin Makno. Now I will explain to you about detailed drawing of our jigs and fixture. As you can see right here, this is isometric view of our jigs and fixture. By using SolidWorks, we can create this 3D accurately based on visualized drawings. Okay, now I will show you our assembly and part by part drawing. The first one is assembly drawing, which is this explain about dimension of the jigs and fixture. Okay, now in this slide, this is drawing of fixture, which is it have top view, front view, and side view. Same goes like this. Drawing of the jig, drawing of clamper, drawing of clamper screw, drawing of screw, drawing of locator. Okay, now this is our drawing of T-bar workpiece, which is it has 120 millimeter length, 120 meter width, and 90 millimeter height. Okay, this is bills of material. As you can see right here, this is exploded view of our jigs and fixture. It has 6 item number, which is fixture, locator, jig, clamper, screw, and clamp screw. Uh, for this jigs and fixture, we only use 4 materials, which is cast iron, mild steel, high tensile steels, and nylon and fiber. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Generally, costing is an estimating cost for engineering project based on an analysis of project technical requirements. So generally, a team will have to collect and analyze all the project costs, including raw material, labor, equipment, and tooling to ensure the estimates are accurate. So from the right side of the table, you can see this is all the items and the major costing that needed for the jig and fixture project. So the things that required are the clamper screw, fixture screw, jig locators, screws, fixtures, and jigs. So the total cost for the project is estimated about 1,072 ringgit. So as for the conclusion, jigs and fixture are the special purpose tools used to facilitate the production of similar components with greater accuracy and productivity. Second, quality and higher productivity are aimed through the use of jig and fixtures in any production process. And lastly, design of jigs and fixtures needs to satisfy functional, qualitative, safety, and adaptability aspects to a production technique. That is all from our team. Thank you.